Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to Well This Morning with the very energetic Shazad Khan, as I always say, and Shazad Hashmi. So, Shazad, what are we doing in this short segment?
All right, so ladies and gentlemen, in this short segment, we will actually try to make sure that you feel the serenity of the very talented artist we have over here with some soulful vocals. And without any further ado, because we're very short on time, so we want to share the majority of this space with this particular gentleman as well, who happens to be Mr. Usama Wasim. Hello, assalamu alaikum. How are you, Usama?
Walaikum assalam. Thank you so much for your kind words, and I'm great.
Thank you very much for joining us. It's wonderful to have you. All I know so far is that you started singing when you were in your 8th grade.
Yeah, that's
Which
correct.
grade are you in now?
I am in my final year of bachelor's.
Well, you are in your final years of bachelor's, so that makes it 6, 7, 8 or 9 years
Yeah,
approximately
I've lost the count.
that you've actually been singing as well, which is great.
Yeah.
And ladies and gentlemen, we've always been making sure that we kind of try to promote the talented people who are out there as well, give them and share this platform with them as well. So, Usama, tell us about yourself and tell us about your music.
Sure. Well, I've been singing for a really long time now, and I've been really struggling with with learning the guitars for myself.
Okay.
And for now, I would like to show you some of my songs.
Okay.
Of course.
And
So,
I-
are you self-taught? Sorry, I'm cutting you.
Yeah.
Are you self-taught?
Yeah,
Oh,
I
that's
am
nice.
self-taught, and I'm currently teaching some students as well now.
Wow.
Yeah,
So, when was the first time you actually bought a guitar for yourself?
it was in that 8th grade, I guess.
In 8th grade?
Yeah.
What did your father or mother say that, okay, putter, ki karan laga?
Nahi.
Nobody
They
said
were
that?
very supportive,
No,
alhamdulillah.
did you go to them? You were like, okay, I need a guitar for myself. What was
I
the
used to
first
sing
reaction?
before that as well.
Okay.
Yeah, I was in, I guess, 7th grade, and there was a teacher of English,
Yeah.
and she pushed me really hard to sing in front of the audience. So there was a speech competition, and she said that you have to sing Sama. So I sang this song Ut Jawana by Soch the band.
Yeah.
So the response that I got from the audience made me think that maybe I can really do this. Yeah.
So then Ut Jawana.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Sure,
let's
sure.
get to it.
So
Jawan ut gaya ji.
So
are
this
we gonna
song
begin with
that I'm gonna sing is from the band Aro.
Oh yeah.
It's called
the-
Na Kaho.
Oh my God, love it.
It's okay. So here
Farooq
goes.
bhai, if you're out there, man, yeah, you've given us some beautiful songs.
Yes.
Indeed. Okay. भीगी सी एक रात ले आई क्या साथ ये धड़कने जो हमें कहने लगी हैं खामोशी के दरमियाँ कब चाही थी बात ये धड़कने जो हमें कहने लगी हैं ना कहो ना सुनो खामोशी गुफ्तगू होने लगी है जिंदगी ख्वाब में खोने लगी है हर आहट पे धड़के दिल करवट करवट रात ले चारों ओर चेहरा तेरा यूं सपनों के दीप चले सपने हैं अपने प्यार के हाँ सपने हैं अपने प्यार के ना कहो ना सुनो खामोशी गुफ्तगू होने लगी है Thank you
nice,
so
Osama.
much.
This
Thank
was
you
so
so
soothing, especially. I
Thank
mean,
you
you
so
have
much.
an amazing control over your vocals as
Thank
well.
you so much.
Not just that, I think, meanwhile you were singing, I thought that, okay, probably we really need to travel together, go somewhere up onto the
Surely.
mountain.
And let him play,
to the hills
right?
and just let him play and listen to him all day long. It was
Yes.
beautiful, yeah.
Thank you so
Absolutely.
much.
So,
Thanks
Osama, you're studying computer sciences,
Yeah,
right?
that's right.
Do you plan to make this as a full-time profession in the future, or are you going to have this like
Yeah.
as a
Well, in
passion
Pakistan, it's not really feasible for a musician to just rely on
Tell
music.
that to Asima. Just
Yeah.
saying.
Well, I would just like to speak for myself.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
I was joking.
So I would think that music is a good passion, and it needs to be supported by the government a bit more,
Okay.
so that we can, if I'm a independent musician, for one song I would require around 2 lakh rupees to to make it to a standard.
Okay.
Then I would require some more money to get it marketed.
Okay. Right. Makes sense.
So if that's not the case, we don't have music labels right now, but we have our phones, right?
Exactly.
Yeah. Of course.
They are a music label in themselves. So we can opt some good schemes and policies so to support independent artists as well.
Which I think is
Yes,
great,
I
and it's a
agree.
brilliant idea that you are actually relying on whatever resources you have to
Yeah.
to yourself as well. But I think where you actually mentioned that the government actually needs to play their role, ladies and gentlemen, it's a very important aspect, because even I'm sorry that I actually have to share this example, but I have to share this. It's because of the fact that I think that this idea is great. So even in our neighboring country, ladies and gentlemen, what they've done is that one of their ministers actually made sure that he's going to dedicate a small amount of the budget which the government has for all of those artists who are out there as well, which is why we have recently seen that the Punjabi music trend is,
Exactly.
it's all over the world,
I like
and
it.
it's because of the fact that government has given all of those Punjabi musicians and singers a smaller amount of the budget to make some music and produce some videos so that everybody can, probably watch them or see them and whatnot. And since it's an industry now, they go on YouTube and they are the views are in millions and millions, and
Yes.
everybody's generating money for themselves. So if since we are a developing nation, fortunately there will be a time when
Inshallah.
I think that the government will actually think of investing into their
Inshallah.
artists and talented people.
It's high time, I
But
guess.
there's one more shift which I've seen, and that is, I think, a good news for people like you. You're good looking, alhamdulillah, you're talented,
you so much.
and you can sing very well. So in recent years, what I've seen is that people who are multifaceted or multi-talented are people which people would want to use in their films, dramas, or elsewhere as well, because they can get the OST done from
That's
that
right.
particular
Right.
singer as well.
That's correct.
They will cast him in the lead role as well, and I think that people are loving it as well.
That's
Being so talented, being an actor at the same time, and then a singer, I think it's a good combo. You truly deserve to be
But
a
it
star.
all comes down to how much you are honest with your work, right?
Exactly,
That's true.
exactly,
That's true.
exactly.
How much dedicated you are as
Exactly,
well. And we know right now, Sama, you're also sort of teaching or giving lessons to other students as
Yes.
well for music.
Yes.
Right? Let us know
Yeah.
about it.
So I am giving some beginner classes to some younger kids at a place called Magical Floor in Beria, Phase 4.
Nice.
And Phase 8, I'm sorry. Yeah, so it's been great. It's been really good experiences, and kids are really fascinating
Right.
at times, because they have their own way of understanding things. And being a teacher is a really nice experience for me.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I agree.
Exactly, that's wonderful as well, which is why, ladies and gentlemen, this was Osama, making sure that he shares all kinds of talents who he has with him as well, or whatever his craft is. But ladies and gentlemen, it is my responsibility, it is your responsibility to make sure that we give these kids that particular platform which will enable them to do what they actually want to do, what their passion is, and pursue their goals as well.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, please make sure that you write to us on our Facebook fan page, which is with the name of
Well this morning.
on Twitter,
Well this morning without a G.
on Dailymotion and YouTube,
Also well this morning.
and the fabulous Sufi is going to be at.
5 past midnight
So
tonight.
very quickly, ladies and gentlemen, we are not going to let Osama go without sharing one of his own singles.
Sure.
So Osama, go ahead,
Sure.
take the lead.
Okay. So the song is called Hum Tumse.
Okay.
So this is the latest one that I've wrote and composed. So I'll
बच्चे
share
जो
it
हम
with you.
तुम हम तुम कर रहे हैं
Let's see if you like it.
Yeah, let's do it.
हाँ, हम तुम बस चले जो मेरा सारे जग से तुझको चुरा लूं। हाँ, हम तुमसे तुम हमसे। जब लोग मुझसे पूछें अरे क्या हुआ दीवाने, कुछ न कह पाऊं मैं, बस मैं मेरा दिल